Alright, we're in the Pale Rose Blackwater Swamp. Ooh, this map is tough. Let's go over here, I think. God, I don't think we want to deal with that ship. Oh. Oh, we got lucky. Okay. Nope. Can't get up here. Alright, I can't see her barely. Okay, I can't hit over that? Alright, I'm done with that one then. Let's never go on that again. Jesus, that was terrible. Gotcha. How did I know? Jesus. I was like just looking out the window. I was like, she's gonna jump through that. Alright, you're not gonna wiggle. Shit. I wanted her to throw down the god pallet. She just sat at the pallet though. I guess she didn't sit at the pallet. Alright, we M1 you then. Don't think I won't. Get your ass back here. Gotcha. This is a good Juku though, seriously. Did I just see someone? No, I didn't. False alarm. Wait, what? Oh, I hit the... What are you doing? Weird. Alright, she let me get a free hitter off her. He jumped down. That's fine. I want to kick this gen. We ran back up. Alright. Let's kick this gen a second time. Oh, there you are. I knew you'd wait. Thank you. That was so kind of you to wait for me. Alright, fine. I'll M1 you. Don't think I won't. I got no shaming. She blew up the gen. What the heck? I hear her running. That's weird. swear she was running. What was that? Oh my god. That is outrageous. Gotcha. Boom. That was a nice hit. You sit there right there. Get more hatchets first. No way we would have hit that. Ooh. Okay. We'll hit more than one. Fine. Well, I'm on you. Nope. I guess don't have to. Here, let's pick her up first. She's the sweaty one. Oh, never mind. There's no way we hit that. We get this. Wow. Let's up on hatchets. Oh, really? You're gonna do that, huh? Alright, I'm just gonna go back here then. Nope. There you are. I knew you'd come back. No, you don't. Yeah, teabag me, you'll get no mercy. No mercy. We're not working on this gen either. If it's that one they're working on, we won't even get to use our pop. You're not touching anything. I think we should probably watch these three. Oh, did I see her over there? Yeah, she's touching this gen. She's hiding in somewhere in here. I think I just saw her. No, I didn't. Oh, I did. Nope. Now you can teabag. Now you can teabag. Yeah. Probably gonna go this way? Yeah. Pallet here. Gotcha. Machine gun build. Thank you very much. Nice. You just sit there, Miss Teabag. I'm gonna go find your friend.
One debt to society later.
He's over here. I got him with the crows. I got him with the crows. Nice. Got him. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all she wrote. That was a good game. We didn't use our pops much as I would have liked, but they really finished those gens. All right, well, GG. We'll give him a GG in the chat, even with the little teabagger. See how many points you got. We got lots of points. Double pip. Ooh, red ranks we're in now. See, this is the one that killed herself on the hook. I don't know why she'd do that. Seeing lots of deception. That was funny. I'm pretty sure one of them tried to use deception right in front of me. Alright, well, on to the next match. Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Jesus, I don't even want to wiggle. I'm not wiggling. Fuck me, man.
What? Why'd you scream like that?
Because I shit my pants! That's why.